Hello, it's Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet channel. And this channel is all about crochet. And I just wanted to update you and let you know what I've been up to. I made a shawl for myself for the first time. I've made several shawls, but they have been for other people. But this one here is for me. So this is it, and I'm very excited about it. I can't wait to wear this out. My daughter had bought me some of this Mandela yarn, and the color is Warlock Sorcerer. And nice, good fall colors. The pattern that I followed was the Sparkle Cake Shawl by Sewrella, and I will put the link to this shawl in the description box. It says that to use a 3-weight, and I believe this was a 3-weight. It took one whole skein plus this much, I guess, of another one. Now I did make mine a little longer. She said to go 40 rounds, and I went like 47. So that may have given it that extra length back here. So, but I wanted to be nice and cozy and warm and be able to snuggle up to it, you know. So that's why I made mine just a little bit longer. So it's a very easy pattern. In fact, the whole pattern is just a half a page. So if you like this shawl, go check out the Sparkle Cake Shawl from Sewrella. I think you'll have fun with that. The next thing I have is, my slippers. I'm always making them. Well, my husband came back from Walmart the other day with this yarn right here called Fair Owl from Red Heart Super Saver, and to make me some slippers, because I've been so busy making slippers for Christmas and birthdays and stuff that I hadn't got to make any for me, and I only had one pair. And so he brought this back. He thought it'd be fun and cute. Oh, they're adorable. Look at this, how they work up. There's my little slippers right here. So I have a tutorial on this, and so you can go watch the tutorial. But I'm so excited, I can't wait to wear these. Now, I still need to put my little handmade wooden tag on it, but yeah, these are mine. They have not been washed yet. Once I wash them, they'll be a whole lot softer than what they are now. But they won't shrink, and I don't think they even stretch really, because I've made from Red Heart so many times. But anyway, I'm really excited that I finally get a pair for me. I need some more though, because I like to have one for every day of the week. But anyway, that one I have a tutorial on. And then the other thing I want to show you is I'm going to do a little tutorial on face cloths. I've been needing some really bad, and I have done my research on what kinds of yarn work well. Tested between like the acrylics and different things, and I finally found me some mercerized, 100% mercerized cotton yarn, and I tried it, and I did this one right here, and I washed it, did it with the soap, let it dry. It did not stretch. I washed my face with it. After it kind of dried out, then I went and tested again, but on me, tested on my face, and this kind of cotton did not stretch. It soaked up really good. It was just the right size for my face. And when I got up, I felt like my face had just a tad bit of like redness, like right in here and here and right in here, but it was a soft redness. So apparently it did a little bit of exfoliating, I think, and which I like that, because it didn't like scratch my face or anything. It just left a little red tint. So that's a good thing. So I'm really in love with these now. But I will be doing a tutorial on these. I made 3 different colors. Now, once I get these all done and tutorial and all that, I do plan on making a little basket holder for them. So it will be in a separate tutorial. These are nice and easy, quick, fast gifts for yourself, gifts for family. Oh yeah, and look at this. The yellow one is the one that I used. And see how it is comparison to one that has not been washed yet or wet. Look at that. It did not stretch. That's what I like about this cotton. So, I can't tell you where I got the cotton. I don't know. But I just know the package says 100% mercerized cotton. So I guess look for that. I assume 100% cotton would probably work as well. I do not have any 100% cotton. I have like 50% cotton, 85% cotton. But this one happened to be the mercerized is the only one I had. But yeah, it did not stretch. And I'm so tickled over that because I've made acrylic face cloths before. And, you know, they stretch out really bad. And this one never did. Even while it was wet, it didn't stretch. So anyway, I'm real tickled over that. So that's all that I have for today. I just wanted to show off that I finally made something for myself. I mean, a shawl for myself. And I wanted to share it with you guys. It's been a couple of weeks, maybe up to 3 weeks, that I've had this pattern from Sewrella since she released it on her YouTube channel. And I finally got it done. So I'm really excited about it. Oh, one more thing I forgot. I will be doing a tutorial on this blanket snuggie that I designed. I have seen different types out there. And so my dad was needing one, so I just made my own. And I'll do a tutorial on this, but I made it to where, let's see. Yeah, it has the place for your head and then the arm hose. So be watching for this tutorial, and then there's the back side. So be watching for that. I'm really excited about that. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And the more views I get, the more that I get put up in the ranks as far as like channels to watch. I think that's what I've heard. But anyway, I appreciate each and every one of you. I love the comments that you leave for me. And right now I'm going to be working on the new Secret Yarnery and Creative Grandma, the Granny Square Challenge that they just released this morning. I'm excited about that. Another thing. But, you know, that's what keeps us crocheters going. So please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching.